Imagine this. Your friend is standing across a road and you're shouting on him. Hey, hey. Do you think they would hear you? Probably not. That's exactly what happens when your email sounds like it's talking to everyone, not with a one person. So in this video, I'm going to share you two simple strategies by using you can make your emails feeling more personal touch for your audience. So first of all, before writing your copy, picture your ideal audience. Who are they? What are their dream outcomes? On which things they are feeling struggle. So for example, you are writing for a real estate agent. What are the pain points of the real estate agent? They feeling struggling to close deals. And what are their dream outcomes? They wanted to close more deals and wanted to earn more, right? Take a look that if you're writing for a gym enthusiast, what are their pain points? They feeling that dieting is impossible, right? And what are their dream outcomes? Maybe probably they want six pack abs and wanted a muscular body, right? So using these pain points and the dream outcomes of your audience in your copy to make a good connection with them. Take a look at this CTA. Struggling to close deals? Let me introduce how to close more deals and earn more. See how by using these pain points and the dream outcomes of the reader grabs the audience instantly and also build a strong connection with them. So first of all, before writing your copy, picture your ideal audience. And the second thing is one of the most easiest one in your copy. You see that most email softwares like MailChimp or ActiveCampaign have a personalization feature. Just select the first name tag and the reader's name already shown in the email, right? So instead of saying hey there, hey friend, or hey mate, your email can say hey Alex, hey Sarah. So if you're writing an email or sending these to 1,000 people, these 1,000 people assume that this email is made just for him, right? So use these two simple strategies in your email copy and watch your conversions grow by building a strong connection with your audience, right? I will see you in the next video. Till the time, peace.